Started halfway in the, well, kind of quarter of the way towards the end of the tunnel.
Never know. Maybe saw something walking through here. Tomatsu cat.
Those are big boy toys. This is some big
That's a real tall truck. I see scrap.
Right?
I just realized that they got this whole bit done.
Yeah. Last time when me and Mikey were up through here, that was right about in there somewhere. Yeah, they were right up about in there somewhere. Now they got that whole thing done. That's the highway. I do believe that's 70.
Yes, that is Interstate 7.
Interstate I-70. Confirmed. But looky. Big giant toys. Oh yeah, I know it's a little bright. I'm not trying to blind you. I'm trying to show you the big giant toys. See it? See the big giant toy right there? See that? And it's a little wobbly and everything, but you know, we're walking kind of at a good pace. we got some better lighting. More better lighting, yes, we got better lighting. Slowly but surely, like I said, we're trying to do what we do. Trying to be us. YBY, YBU. Oh boy. Yeah, we're sweating. We're just going to go check up on one of our friends. He's a little older man. So we check up on him once in a great blue moon. Yeah, there's other people coming. Look how cool this is. I might name this YBY Nature Walk. I don't know. Because I haven't taken y'all on a nature hike or a walk or anything for a little. So I hope you watch this all the way through the end because you never know what happens at the end. Maybe that's the best question for another, I don't know, giveaway or something. I have somebody's surprise gift if they don't know already. Yeah, they have them. So, yeah. Oh, we hear sirens in the back. Look at the puppy. See the puppy? Sorry, I had to scratch my eye. That's a cute puppy. Hi, puppy. That's the kind of dogs to have, the quietest bark. Hi. Hi. What? Yeah. Aww. He's barking his little head off as loud as he can. Huh. You know, you can still hear him back here. See him back there? He's still yapping.
Like, you want to turn the leg off.
Looks like he's still yapping back there. You see him, yo? Yeah. Still back there yapping. There's Mikey dying from the walk. We haven't taken a break since we started.
Well, we took one.
Oh yeah, one to get the charger and everything. That wasn't even a break though. It was just enough to zip through, book bag, all this, get it, and go. That was a couple seconds. Probably see sweat rolling down my face. Mikey, same way.
I feel like I'm in the shower again.
Right.
Looking up and down here. Luckily, we got a case of beer. We got the beer, I got the weed.
All I need is a Mountain Dew and I'll be happy. But we'll figure that out.
Can't wait till they open that back up.
You ain't kidding. It's a good quarterback. Home free, constant sorrow. Oops, did I say that? Listen to that. It's a very good song. And they sing in a really high pitched voice. Listen. There's the water alongside the highway, which you're about to see up close. If we have enough time, we should. We have like 3.5 minutes. We'll make it down about there.
Can't see down there anymore. Yeah.
That's what it says. The good thing about it.
If we can get it down here, it can't, or it's a bridge.
Right?
We didn't come out here for nothing once again.
We always come out here for usually nothing, but it's always something because you never know what happens when you get into nothing. Something always happens. I ain't going to do that. Nope. No three. Up and over. Look, they're walking through the jungle. Now I'm gonna cut it.